what are some strategies for making air travel more enjoyable? So I think a lot of people are not necessarily prepared for flights as well as they could be, depending on how many times they've flown before. And so a couple of key things that I recommend is, for one thing, bring gum. If you chew gum during takeoff and landing, that will help with ear-popping pressure issues, so you'll feel physically more comfortable. And in line with that, I recommend not having earbuds or headphones in during those massive pressure changes, because that just complicates matters one step further. So for something like that, if you have a app on your phone, a game you could play that does not require internet connection at all, and chew gum, nothing in the ears, that's my recommendation for, takeoff and landing for physical comfort. Beyond that, the real key to it, and I've said this before, but I can't say it enough, is be responsible for your own entertainment. There might not be a monitor in the seat in front of you. There might not be entertainment on the airplane. You could do all the research in the world and look at, it's a 747 or Airbus or whatever, and these are the things it has. But then they could swap out the plane on you. You don't know. So take responsibility for your own entertainment. If that means bringing Sudoku or a magazine, that's fine. For me, it's about using the Pocket Cast app for Android and having podcasts downloaded once you're at cruising altitude, 10,000 feet and above. That's when I pop in the earbuds, listen to a podcast. You can listen to the Vacation Impossible podcast on your next flight if you would like. Happy to make your flight hopefully a little easier, go a little faster, be a bit more entertaining. Additionally, I'll bring my tablet and I'll have some shows or movies or whatever on there. Maybe I'll write a blog post while I'm up in the air. So I think those are some of the keys, and it's really just about having the right kind of attitude. You could think, I'm stuck in this flying box that doesn't have enough legroom, doesn't have enough armrest space, and all these other things. And maybe I'm just gonna get some bad peanuts or cookies, and only the small pop is free, and there's a lot of negative you could choose to focus on, and you're just gonna make yourself miserable. So we don't recommend doing that. We talk about this a lot. Choose happiness whenever you can, and go with the right attitude. This is time where you're not going to be interrupted by a phone call. You're not going to have to deal with, Twitter nonsense. You're maybe restricted in some senses, but it's also a bit of an opportunity. It's a little time to think, a little time for yourself. And so be prepared to take some maximum advantage of it and have some options. And so I bring a podcast and something to watch on my tablet and some games and some other things digitally that don't take up space or weight and are easy to access. And then, it's how the mood strikes me. Maybe I'm inspired to write a blog post. Maybe I just feel like playing the game on my phone the whole time. Whatever it is, take responsibility for your own entertainment. And if there are other things, if you're on a Virgin flight, you want to chat to somebody, because they have those little things in the armrest that actually have a keyboard on it. You can chat to other seats if you want on Virgin flights. Cool. Maybe there'll be something that you might want to watch, and go right ahead, stay flexible, but don't rely on it. Don't count on the airline to provide the entertainment for you, is a big thing that I advise. If you're traveling with children, earbuds and headphones, and some age-appropriate things to watch on a tablet or a laptop or a phone, is a very good idea. Maybe bring activities for them to do, stuff like that. But try and be prepared to keep them entertained as well, to help them deal with any anxiety they might have about flying as well, to distract them from that. Thank you. I hope this was enjoyable. Please, as I've said many times, reach out to us in a variety of ways. You can email us, hit us up on social media. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps us unlock additional functionality. Give our videos a little thumbs up so more people can see them, and comment, because we love to engage with you guys. We've learned so much from the comments on YouTube videos. It's amazing. And we've also, frankly, helped clear up some misunderstandings that way as well. People thought things worked a particular way and they didn't. Travel opportunities crop up all over the place. So thank you so much, and we will see you next time.